I was blessed with a surprise new resident in my garden this year. I did not plant it, but I am so happy to see it. You've probably seen this plant growing wild, maybe even in your own yard. Before you get out the shovel to get rid of it, you should know the many benefits of Purple Dead Nettle. It may become one of your favorite weeds. This is Purple Dead Nettle, and it came up as a volunteer in one of my herb buckets. I will be allowing it to stay because although considered a weed by many, it has so many health benefits. Purple Dead Nettle isn't a nettle at all, but is a member of the mint family, and as a mint, it wants to take over the world, so growing it in a container is ideal. Wasn't it nice of it to start itself in this tub? Purple Dead Nettle is easy to identify by its square stem and fuzzy heart-shaped leaves. The top leaves have a purplish tint and the flowers are long and have pinkish purple color. Nothing really looks like Purple Dead Nettle, so it is easy for beginning foragers to identify. The flowers and leaves are edible and medicinal. The fresh plant has a mild taste and is great when added to fresh salads or smoothies or cooked into soups or stir fries. Would you like a list of herbs that can be used for specific issues so you can plan your medicinal garden? I will leave a link in the description below so you can get one. Purple Dead Nettle is loaded with polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help prevent inflammation. It also contains flavonoids, including quercetin, which helps boost your immune system and fight off infections. And it's a great source of vitamin A, C, and K, as well as iron and fiber. Purple Dead Nettle is a natural antihistamine. So if you have seasonal allergies, you may want to try drinking a cup of tea every day to help eliminate the symptoms of hay fever. While there are not reported contraindications with Purple Dead Nettle, if you are pregnant or take prescription medications, check with your doctor before using any herb. Since Purple Dead Nettle only sticks around for a few weeks in the spring, you will want to harvest and dehydrate the plant to keep it around all year for use for fall allergies and for those nasty winter colds. When kept in a tightly sealed jar, the herb should hold its potency for about a year. The fresh or dried plant can be used for teas. If using the fresh plant, steep a heaping tablespoon in just boiled water for 10 to 20 minutes, then drink. For dried herb, use a heaping teaspoon for the same length of time. You can also make a tincture that will hold its potency for 2 to 5 years when protected from light. If you get a bug bite in the spring, look around and find some Purple Dead Nettle. Chew the leaves to make a poultice and put it on the bite to soothe the stinging or itching. If you get a cut or scrape, the leaves can be used as a styptic to stop the bleeding. If you have a cold or the flu and are chilling, the tea or tincture can be used to warm you up. Can you understand why you should not kill this weed but encourage it to grow in your herb garden? If you've found this information helpful but you want more information on natural ways to keep yourself healthy, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the wonderful weed known as Purple Dead Nettle. Stay healthy, go find some Purple Dead Nettle, and have a blessed week.